Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, I will be showing you guys how to install apps without Apple ID password. Tired of being asked for a password every single time you need to download any app? Don't worry. In this quick guide, I will be showing you guys how to install app without needing to enter the password. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. Launch your settings. Now scroll down. Navigate to the option of screen time. Make sure you have enabled screen time. Now head over to the option Content and Privacy Restrictions. Make sure you have enabled for the option Content and Privacy Restriction. Now click on the option iTunes and App Store Purchases. Here you're gonna find two sections: Store Purchases and Redownloads, Require Password. Under Require Password, you're gonna find two options. Check in for the option of Don't Require. Likewise, for all these options under Store Purchases and Redownloads, make sure you have set it to Allow. Once you check these settings, you can hit back. Now, navigate to the settings page, scroll down, click on the option Face ID and Passcode, enter your passcode. Now here you're going to find the section of Use Face ID for. Under that, you'll find the option of iTunes and App Store. Disable for this option. Now I can close this. Now launch your App Store and try to download any of the app. Click on Get. Now without entering the password, you will be able to install any of the app. So this is how you can easily install apps without Apple ID password. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you have got any issues, you can comment down below.